Hi, this is Tim Page, Audio-Technica European Marketing Manager. We're here today. We've just launched the new ES series installed microphone. This is a modular microphone system, comprises of 3 different parts. We've got a flush mount here with a RGB LED. We can get 7 colours of LED here. This case we've got a 12-inch gooseneck microphone, a double gooseneck, which can be easily positioned in the right location. The gooseneck's also available in 6 different sizes, from 6 up to 24 inches. But then more importantly, at the top we have, if you zoom in on here, we have this element. There's 3 different types of elements: a cardioid, hypercardioid, omnidirectional and a microline element. And this all together makes the new ES modular microphone system that we announced today at ISE. And more information you can find on our website, audiotechnica.com.